Monolithic architecture. The monolithic architecture is the simplest and often the recommended starting point for many applications. In this model, all components of the application are packaged and deployed as a single unit. The entire application runs in one process on a single machine. Key characteristics: single-tiered. The whole application lives in one layer. There's no physical separation between components. Self-contained. Everything the application needs to run, like UI, business logic, and database access, is bundled inside one executable. Single code base. All source code lives in one place. It's compiled together and linked into one output, like a exe or jar. If you were to split the code into multiple code bases, you'd need separate build processes and find a way to connect them again, e.g. as libraries or services. Advantages of monolithic architecture. Easy to develop. You work within a single project and code base, which simplifies development, especially for small teams. Easy to deploy. There is only one deployment unit, e.g. a single file or container. You don't have to deal with multiple services running on different machines or managing inter-service communication and configuration. Easy to debug and test. You can step through the code easily in your IDE. It's easy to trace logic across components since everything runs in the same process. You can directly inspect the state of any part of the application. Disadvantages of monolithic architecture. Limited scalability. You cannot scale individual parts of the system independently. The entire application must be scaled as a whole. Harder to adopt new technologies. Changing a framework or upgrading a library affects the entire application. For example, if you want to upgrade to a new .NET version or update a dependency, you'll likely need to retest and redeploy everything. Tightly coupled components. All parts of the system are closely connected, which makes changes risky and harder to isolate. This limits flexibility compared to a distributed microservice architecture, where each service can evolve independently. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version or